Hopping back into the Systems Accelerator Manager, the dashboard is actually our home page. And we did that for a very important reason, because ultimately you want to start your time inside the Systems Accelerator Manager quickly reviewing these things. So let's go ahead and look at each of these different sections. On the top left-hand side, we have our Outbox stats. Now, the power in being able to see all of your Outbox stats is you can quickly look at what you need to do, and then you can move into the Outbox. And you can do that even easier by clicking into it. So let's say I want to review my past due. Well, if I click into it, it takes me right to the Outbox, and I can see all three of those past due sections. So again, at a glance, I can make these informed decisions. Now, something worth noting that's really cool is on the upcoming 4 days. Well, if you guys realize, we have those upcoming filters so we can adjust how far Sam can see into the future. Maybe I want it to actually be the upcoming 8 days. So I can go ahead and save that, and the system is now going to be looking into the next 8 days. I still only have one, but when I go back to the dashboard, now it also gets reflected in the upcoming 8 days. So again, those Outbox stats are able to be reviewed. We can also look at what we've sent today, what we've sent the previous 4 days, what we have drafts and we need to go revisit. But ultimately, let's start here. Let's get a good idea. What do I need to do today? We can move forward.